All right, we're gonna take a little ride in a 1955 Chevy two-door hardtop, Bel Air. Pretty cool. This one is in the project phase, so if you don't have a lot of money, this is about a third of the price of a good one. And it looks good going down the street. That's why in my ad I said that it's 10-footer. That's what it is, the so-called 10-footer. Well, basically what we got here is a 55 two-door hardtop with a fresh rebuilt 350 V8. I got a receipt for that. Turbo 350 automatic transmission. It's got front power disc brakes. You know, red and white. Paint job is kind of a cheap paint job. You know, you see imperfections in it. And the car's got rust. It's got some rust in the floors, rust in some of the supports, the body supports. And it is what it is. You can fix some of that stuff. Some guys fix it right, some guys fix it wrong. But at the end of the day, still a 55 two-door hardtop. And you can drive it, cruise it. The experts are gonna pick on you. The guys that just like old cars are gonna ask you about it and give you the thumbs up when you're driving it. And it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. A little bit of work, and then it could be more of a more of a driver, you know. But the 350 is the best motor you can put in one of these things. And then along with that, automatic transmission and good brakes, power steering, pretty cool. It's got a radio in the glove box there, like an AM/FM CD player. It's got some aftermarket gauges down below that work, which is good. A lot of the other stuff doesn't work. We got no speedometer. We got no, probably, I don't know, gas gauge, maybe not a gas gauge. So there's things to fix. But that's why it's cheap. We're gonna go up here, take some more pictures and video, and kind of show you what we're talking about. All right, here's our 10-footer 55 Bel Air. All right, looks really good in pictures. It's a pretty good looking car. It's fun to drive around. You know, red and white two-tone. That's a typical 55 Chevy color. This has those Cragar, they look like welds. I think Cragar bought weld eventually or something like that, but the ultralight racing wheels, drag lights, bigs and skinnies. Well, the trim and everything is in pretty good shape. Got the chrome bumpers, dual exhaust going all the way out the back. 350 V8, fresh rebuilt with a 350 turbo automatic transmission. It's got newer front disc brakes up front with a chrome master and a chrome booster. You know, it's just a little rough, that's all. You know, you got some paint issues here and there. It looks good in the sun. You know, a little wavy. A couple paint imperfections. You got a little bit of bubbling along the roof rails. You know, the bottom's got rust in it. And that's kind of why we're pricing it the way it is. It's not a show car. You know, needs to have some stereo stuff finished up, which I might get to. I've got some speakers for it, things like that. It's got a stereo in the glove box. Interior looks nice. Somebody did the seats. Headliner, carpeting. You know, door panels are a little wrinkly, but that could be tightened up. Got a little Grant wood wheel there. Not bad looking inside, you know? Like I said, headliner works. I said dome lights work, I should say. Of course the headliner works. Two-door hardtop, so all the windows fold down, which is cool. That's the look. Oh, here's the stereo in the glove box right there. Little AM/FM CD player. And the factory one in the dash, so nobody cut the dash. Then you got your aftermarket gauges down there. Those work. Not bad. Just, you know, got some rust repair to do underneath if you wanted to make it a real nice car, but I wouldn't do anything. I would just drive it, make sure it's safe, that's all. Run it down the street, go cruising at night, take your family with you, and not break the bank. Pretty neat car. And I'll have some undercarriage pictures for you too. If anybody wants to see those, just go ahead and ask. There's the power plant in the 55 Chevy two-door hardtop, Bel Air. Like I said, fresh rebuilt. Motor looks good. Got little ram's horns, exhaust manifolds there. Edelbrock carburetor, I'm sorry, Holley carburetor. I'm stuttering idiot today. Edelbrock intake manifold. Got the chrome brake booster, chrome master. Aluminum radiator. There's that firewall. I could tell, you know, it's got pore 15 on it, so you know that had some rust on it too, and all they did was try to stop it by putting some pore 15 on it. A lot of guys do that. This car was from Hawaii. It's one of the reasons why it got rusty. That's just the way it is. People like their cars in Hawaii too. We'll go ahead and fire this one up. That motor sounds pretty good. Not bad, runs strong. Got dual exhaust going all the way out the back. Seems to shift good. Tires are good. Not bad at all. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you the skinny on this car and go over every little imperfection if that's what you want to see. And but not bad. For the money, you just can't beat it. And you look good cruising around.